Did you? I mean, beyond the funky docks and robots, you know the other high tech item that CES is known for? Fridges.
Is that
I don't know. I mean, every year when I go, it's always some new fridge with, they would put a screen, or it would have a see-through panel or transparent door, or they would put some kind of smart feature. But when you would walk through Samsung or LG, it's going to be fridges.
yeah, their home living kind of tech is pretty cool.
You want to
to
know something? I don't
experience.
mind.
Yeah,
I don't mind.
they're trying out different things.
The problem with the fridge, though, is how often am I supposed to update my fridge? It's huge.
Every month.
Yeah, it's huge. Like, I can't upgrade it like a phone. I can't even upgrade it like a TV. Like, you gotta upgrade that pretty infrequently because it's enormous. But anyway, because of COVID and everything else, people are buying fridges. They're doing whatever they can do at home. You probably heard about this. Like, video games is another example, and Home Depot was doing well because people were like, I'm gonna fix that thing. I'm gonna put a new toilet over there or whatever.
Yeah, DIY.
Yeah, it's just like people are looking for things to do at home, and one of them, I guess, is upgrade the fridge because home appliance sales rose an estimated 10% last year when everything else was falling off a cliff. This is an expensive purchase, and people were still doing it because they're staring at their ugly old fridge, and they say, you know what? I'm stuck inside. I'm gonna get a nicer fridge.
I'm going to have a fridge that talks to me.
Yeah, maybe. But you know what's funny? This particular report is actually not about the most high-tech fridge. It's about the most stylish fridge. They want to let you customize your own bespoke fridge. So you're going to pick the panels. You're going to pick the look. You might even pick the exact dimensions of it.
Nice.
Because you want to know what is taking off right now in Korea?
What's that?
I expect you to know this, Will, so don't you dare scroll through here and try to look for it. What do you think is taking off in Korea right now when it comes to fridges?
When it comes to what?
Fridges. Refrigerators.
Maybe see-through?
Go
So
on.
you can see your...
Go on.
you can see your kimchi? What? Every Korean has kimchi.
Easy.
They love kimchi.
Easy.
I love kimchi.
Easy.
Come on now.
You are kind of close.
Exactly.
Specialty fridges for kimchi are a popular option.
Why did you give me that look there?
just like make you a little bit nervous, that's all.
No.
Listen to this. Listen to this. Specialty fridges for kimchi accounted for more than 67% of the Korean market last year.
Nice.
You know what? I could use some kimchi now
Yeah.
that you say that. I haven't had kimchi in
Well, there's an owl, right there.
No, I know, but like when the whole COVID, because for me, kimchi wouldn't be a thing that I would have at home in my fridge.
Right.
It would be a thing. Do they sell it at TNT?
They do, yeah.
Is it not good? Like, why do you say it like that?
It's not bad.
Oh, okay. Because
No.
I can't go to the restaurant, the regular restaurant. You know what I mean? Like there's over there you had the full out barbecue as well. And I
Yes.
used to go there, but now you can't go in the restaurant.
No.
I don't know when you can go again. I think kimchi for me was more the experience thing. I never put it in my fridge. I think I'm ready to put it in my fridge.
Yeah. You buy like a tub load, which a lot
My
of
fridge is
people
not
do.
big enough. That's the thing.
Well, you can get like a little mason jar kind of size and just pick at it every once in a while.
Okay. That's what I
yeah,
should do?
the TNT sells it.
In that size, like
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, maybe I'll do that.
Go give it a shot.
Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I could use some of that because you've got in there all the because of the fermentation you
Yes.
have for the digestion and whatever you have going on.
Yeah.
I need some of that right now,
Uh-huh.
so I'm gonna reach for some of that. Maybe I'll even get a specialty fridge eventually for it. But anyway, as far as Samsung's concerned, that's how they're gonna convince people to keep buying fridges. They're going after those millennials who
Right
want to
on.
have their own custom fridge to meet their exact criteria, possibly even a custom kimchi fridge, which I don't might be on the horizon for me apparently. Now that I'm buying kimchi, I'm trying to fix my gut health.
Yeah.